Hi everyone, welcome to Hot Plate. My name is Saeed. Today I am going to make Aussie Chilli Mud Crab and I am sure you will love it. This is the mud crab I am going to make. Wow, yummy! I am sure you will love when I am making it. I hope you enjoy the video. The recipe is on your screen and easy to follow. First, we are going to reverse the crab, killing the crab. We don't need those. After I get rid of this part which I don't need it, I try to cut the sharp. After I remove the sharp, I reverse the crab. I put my knife over here and remove the cup. We don't need those parts, we remove. Clean the crab. Now we chop it from the middle. We break it a bit, so it will be easy to access the meat. The same with the other side. We break a bit. The same. We bring it from the middle. Ready to be cooked. Next, we are going to make the paste for Tasmanian chili crab. We will add garlic, ginger, shallot, and chili. And we make maybe around 2 tablespoons of oil, so it could mix easily. The finished product will be like a paste. We put some oil around it, so next we add our sauce. If this is not this kind, just add a little more water on it before you grind it, because sometimes it doesn't go this smooth. We saute it a bit. We add the crab paste. We add our sweet chili. We saute it again. We saute it and we add our crab. Stir it a bit so the sauce will go all over. That is in the very low heat first. You don't want to burn the sauce. Now we will add our tomato sauce. Saute it a bit. We add our beef broth. Two cups. A bit of salt. We stir it again. We add a bit of sugar. One tablespoon will be okay. We could test it if you want. If you need to add some more, you could add some more. Depends on your taste. We close the lid and let it boil for 5 or 10 minutes. Now we are going to look at the crab. We test it a bit. In my test, I am going to add a bit more crab paste. Depends on you. Just 1 tablespoon. More. Just to have more tasty, that's all I do there. Let it boil for a few minutes. You don't want to overcook the crab, remember. After 10 minutes, I am going to remove the lid. I have a taste a bit. Yummy, yummy. Usually, I add a bit of butter at the end. Depends on you. If you don't want to do it, don't do it. And I add a little cornstarch powder, which I diluted in the water, just to be a bit sticky. And I add 2 pepper. I do that usually just for the bite, and let it boil for a few minutes. Now we remove the lid. You see the sauce. As you see, it's very saucy. And finally, we will add our beaten egg all around. And we turn it off. And we cover it for a few minutes and let it settle down so the egg will be cooked. This is how it looks now. Now we are ready to serve it. It is nice and meaty and saucy. Thick sauce. That's what I wanted. You could see a lot of meat in the crab. Wow, lovely. Finally, we put the cap on. Now we put the sauce on. Very saucy, very yummy. Very, very yummy. You will love it. And finally, we put our chili on. We are going to put a sprinkle of parsley on it for the taste. Now, ready to be served. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you will make it and enjoy of it. I am Saeed from Hot Plate. Don't forget to subscribe and like.